Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's crucial discussion, we're tackling a question that's on the minds of many investors right now. Is the US dollar doomed? We've seen headlines, heard the whispers, and today, we're diving deep to understand the reality, the risks, and most importantly, what investors should know to navigate these uncertain times. If you're concerned about the future of your investments and the stability of the global economy, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on our timely financial analysis. Let's get started. So, why is everyone talking about the potential decline of the US dollar? Well, several factors are fueling these concerns. We're seeing a rise in national debt, persistent inflation, and geopolitical shifts that are challenging the dollar's long-standing dominance as the world's reserve currency. Think about it, for decades, the dollar has been the go-to currency for international trade and central bank reserves. But countries like China and Russia are increasingly exploring alternative currencies and payment systems. This trend, known as de-dollarization, is gaining traction. We're also witnessing the rise of digital currencies and blockchain technology, which could potentially disrupt the traditional financial landscape. These emerging alternatives raise valid questions about the dollar's future role in the global financial system. Now, it's important to remember that talk of the dollar's demise isn't new. Throughout history, dominant currencies have eventually faced challenges. The British pound, for example, once held the global reserve status. However, it's crucial to distinguish between a gradual erosion of dominance and a sudden, doomsday, scenario. While the dollar's share of global reserves has slightly decreased over the years, it still remains the most widely held currency by a significant margin. The US economy, despite its challenges, is still the world's largest, and the dollar benefits from deep and liquid financial markets. These factors provide a significant degree of stability. So, what does all this mean for you, the investor? A weakening dollar can have several potential impacts on your portfolio. For starters, it can make imported goods more expensive, potentially contributing to higher inflation. On the other hand, a weaker dollar can make US exports more competitive, which could benefit companies with significant international sales. It can also boost the value of international investments held in foreign currencies when converted back to dollars. Furthermore, in times of currency uncertainty, investors often turn to safe haven assets like gold and silver. Understanding these potential shifts is crucial for making informed investment decisions. If you're finding this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps us reach more people who need to understand these important economic trends, and in the comments below, let me know your biggest concerns about the future of the US dollar. I read and respond to as many comments as I can. Now, let's get to the actionable advice. What should investors be doing in light of these potential dollar challenges? First and foremost, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider diversifying your portfolio across different asset classes and potentially international markets. Pay attention to inflation. As mentioned earlier, a weaker dollar can exacerbate inflationary pressures. Consider investments that may perform well in an inflationary environment, such as certain commodities or real estate. Understand your risk tolerance. Currency fluctuations can add volatility to your portfolio. Ensure your investment strategy aligns with your comfort level and long-term financial goals. Stay informed. Keep up to date with global economic news and the policies of central banks. This will help you make more informed decisions as the situation evolves. While the concerns about the US dollar are valid and worth monitoring, it's unlikely we'll see a sudden collapse in the near future. The dollar still benefits from significant advantages, and the US economy remains a global powerhouse. However, the global financial landscape is constantly evolving. Investors need to be prepared for potential shifts and adapt their strategies accordingly. This means staying informed, being diversified, and having a long-term perspective. Ultimately, whether the US dollar is truly doomed is a complex question with no easy answer. But by understanding the risks and opportunities, and by taking proactive steps, investors can navigate these uncertainties and protect their financial future. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope this analysis has provided you with valuable insights. If you found this helpful, please like this video and share it with anyone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth financial discussions and market updates. What other financial topics would you like me to cover? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, invest wisely and stay informed.